L is equal to n by 3 and m equal to 2n by 3. Okay, L is in terms of n and m is in terms of n. Now take the ratio. The ratio is L is to m is to n. L is n by 3 and m is 2n by 3 and n is taken as this. N is taken as this. Here one point observe here. In the denominator we have 3, 3. So this n function is also multiplied with the third function is also multiplied with the 3 by 3. Multiply and divide with the 3 by 3. Value no change. N by 3, 2n by 3. Multiply with 3, divide with 3. 3 by 3, value no change. This n is taken as this. Any cancellations? These are in the ratios. So denominator cancel 3, 3, 3 cancel. Remaining numerator also we have n is cancel. Remaining is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. L comma m comma n. L m n are generally DC's direction cosines. Direction cosines are in take ratio form. From that we get DRs, direction ratios. Okay. These are the DRs. DRs is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. But in the problem they are asking direction cosines. When DRs are given, DC's formula is equal to, what is the formula for DC's? DC's is equal to, generally direction cosines are denoted by A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C. When A comma B comma C are the DRs, direction cosines is A by root over A square plus B square plus C square, comma B by root over A square plus B square plus C square, comma C by root over A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. When direction ratios A comma B comma C are the direction ratios. When direction ratios are given, DC's formula is A by root over A square plus B square plus C square, B by root over A square plus B square plus C square, C by root over A square plus B square plus C square. That is, A is equal to 1 by root over A square plus B square plus C square. That is 1. A square is 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. B square. After that C square. C square is 3 square 9. Here B is what? 2 by denominator is taken as is, that is 1 plus 4 plus 9. 1 plus 4 plus 9. C is equal to 3. 3 by root over 1 plus 4 plus 9. Okay, from this we get 1 by 9 plus 10, that is root 14. Here also 2 by root 14. 3 by root 14. These are the DC's in the first case. Similarly, we get the DC's in the second case. Here we have m value. M is equal to n by 2. M equal to n by 2. How we get L value? Substitute this m is equal to n by 2. Substitute this m is equal to n by 2 in equation 1. Substitute m is equal to n by 2 in equation 1. That is equation 1. That implies L is equal to 5 into m is n by 2. L is equal to 5 into m is n by 2 minus 3n. Minus 3n is taken as this. Minus 3n. Okay. That implies L is equal to, LCM is 2 LCM is 2, that is 5 2s are, so 5 into n is 5n minus, here we have 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6n, that is L is equal to 5n minus 6n. 5n minus 6n is minus n by 2. Okay, we get L value also. L is minus n by 2. Now take the ratio. Here also we get L value. Here is L value. Now take the ratio. That is L is to M is to N is equal to, L is minus n by 2 and M is n by 2 and take it as this n as this. L is in terms of n, m is in terms of n. So take it n as this. That is, in the denominator we have 2 more. So multiply the third term with 2 by 2. Here in the denominator we have 3. So multiply and divide with 3 over. Here they multiply and divide with the 2. That is minus n by 2 is 2. N by 2 is 2. Multiply with 2, divide with 2. Value no change into 2. Into n no. Into n. 2 cancel. And then n, this n is also cancelled. Remaining is minus 1 is 2. 1 is to 2. We here n is cancelled. Remaining is minus 1, 2. These are the ratios, direction ratios. These are the direction ratios. drs is equal to minus 1 comma 1 comma 2. When drs are given, these are the direction ratios. When drs are given, find this is the formula. Here also we are applying the same formula, that is dc is equal to a by root over a square plus b square plus c square. A, that is minus 1 by root over a square. A square is minus 1 whole square. A square plus b square plus c square. A square is minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1 plus b square. B square is 1 square. 1 square is 1 plus c square. C square is 2 square. 2 square is 4. Comma b by root over a square plus b square plus c square. B is equal to 1. By denominator is as it is 1 plus 1 plus 4. Next c by root over a square plus b square plus c square, that is 2 by denominator is 1 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, that implies minus 1 by 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 is 6. Minus 1 by root 6 comma 1 by root 6 comma 2 by root 6. These are the DCs in the case 2. These are the DCs in the first case. Okay. Therefore DCs are this. Very important relative.